Hi guys, good afternoon. I don't know what is wrong with my network. Hope you guys are good. I don't know what is wrong with my network. Believe me, network when I just call the fuck up. It be just. Sorry guys, this one of my baby food will not green it. Fried rice in Roma and fried rice in Nigeria. Very good. Yes guys, hi. I'm in the kitchen cooking. Just they cook yam and got the egg. I just they hungry me this afternoon, which now I want to eat right now. Maybe I go see show now, maybe no, maybe yes, everywhere good. Yes, so guys, that's what we see. Yes, guys, sorry guys, my baby don't still come with the distraction again. Earth is very rich. Like earth is wet. Now earth be everything. You understand me, my people? If you get earth, everywhere go good. Sorry guys that I'm back again because my video I don't understand what you got on. As in, you're the fuck up. Baby, no, don't make noise. Go and meet your brothers in the parlor. Don't make noise. Go to the parlor and meet your brother, okay? Go and play there. Give me one ice cream and go. Let him go. Thank you. I have to quickly make this video for 30 minutes or less than. Me, sometimes I like to even do video for 2 hours. I'll just be talk based on maybe one or two things. I mean, I'll just till they want to wait time, you know. But because one or two things too, that's not the fit. Children, come they put their noise, but everywhere good shot. So before my network will go off again, because you don't know what you call it to this network, I just tired. The network not say one man, but what do I focus? Oh yeah, no noise here. People should go to the parlor. I'm in the kitchen at least. I'm cooking, that is why I sit here. And secondly, don't come to the parlor. Yes. You understand my people? So that's the way it be. What I'm trying to say is this. I mean, my topic today is just about you guys should give me one cup there. Let me drink water. I need water. Sorry guys, they want to distract me, but bear with me. Let me just, give them what they want so that they will go. You understand? Oh yeah, go to the parlor. Bye. Choose. Take him. And don't come to my kitchen, okay? Open it myself and you lock the door. Go. Bye. Thank you. So, my topic this afternoon is about that guy that lost his life or that commits, what is it called? Is it not murder, commit suicide? Murder is when person by person. Suicide is when you do it by yourself. You understand? But meanwhile, hope everybody is okay today. God bless every one of us. Please share this video and like this video and invite people to watch also. And God will bless you all, so that one or two person will pick some message inside. Like I always say, everybody they do live video, but if you get time to watch everybody, you'll see pick one sense from each and everyone for real. Nobody. Not look anybody as in your common life and say, I bet this one not get level, or this one to this one, or this one be like this, or this one not be like this. A lie. Everybody get different way of believing things, and that way as well you'll see collect one sense or the other for real, and that sense go help you. For me, I don't know what I'm for now. For me, I know say I know they feel they watch everybody, but people too many for the live video. But then I know say they collect one sense or the other for anybody where I watch. I don't feel they watch all of them. Maybe I go talk say for my own excuse be say my kids they around me always 24 hours except they go school. If they still go school, they close most time 12 or 1 or 2. Now they just come back. Like some of them, while the rest go still stay in 5 or so. So busy with kids every day. I don't go feel just they watch all the whole live video people. But they watch some, and those one why they watch. I know like to no matter how small the person dey, no matter how fine, no matter how ugly, no matter how posh or whatever, anyone you talk, you must collect 1 cent. For me, I dey collect 1 cent for inside. And just at no time. Because the kids, you will be busy with them. You want to take them to school, take them to their hobby like sports, take them to go and play in the garden, bath them, give them food, play with them most times also, because you need to play with your kids as well. You know, sometimes if you want to play with your kids, behave like kids as well. You understand? So that one, that topic that I'll treat on that day, but this one I just the one I just treat today sharp before my network will consider fuck up again, because me I don't understand this network. Me don't even go meet them yesterday. Everywhere good. I don't know what they do the network. But then at the weather, I be not your school, but this way. You understand me, my people? So I will come like I've already started, but I will say one thing. Thank God for the health, everybody. I believe we are all fine. To God be the glory. And some people, the hospital. Some even they we share, some day one place or the other, sick bed, and so on and so forth. Some day mortuary, but we are opportunity to be alive. There is a parable. They say, if you see person, we be say you better pass. You still get small hope. I was watching one video yesterday. I don't like so sometimes I just there how they think and say, oh now wow, this Europe person they know you're easy, which everybody they think the same thing. Not believe me, everybody, the whole world, no matter how you get money, rich, God will bless your children and everything. You must get one thing or the other way they disturb you, way they think. Who you thought say not get anything and like they talk. If you finish, bring the phone for me. Yes. You understand? Who you thought say not lie, no level. You not get what they think, not lie. Everybody get one or two things where they think. So what am I trying to say here is this. Because the reason one or two things yesterday evening before I sleep, as I got the reason, I can't wash my Facebook. I can't see one thing. One guy like that. The guy for Lagos. I've been not sure I've been in Lagos. If you see, not even Benin, all those Yoruba, Biansa, no know. If you see the way I believe say most of them don't see the video. The way they use the leg, one of the leg, they okay small. The other one not they okay at all. The other one, it be like I don't know how to talk. The other leg. He gonna use that leg to slap, let me say slap, gonna use something to like knock himself or rather, gonna use something they throw away the leg they put for his face, where your leg go if you go your face directly. And the thing was very soft and so paralyzed and so, you know, he come they go, they do one. I can't they speak the language, me I don't understand the language they speak, but then I understand say the person in the video that say wanna help around those kind of things. And inside that video, they say, oh, no, thank you. Hey, we don't let anybody wish you, this man will help this person. God will bless you. Me too, I see comment, I say, oh, God will bless this person. I wish that life there for them. Like, don't need some days where they're doing. Maybe I will still contribute anything or anything. You understand? Anything na money, 50 euro na money, 20 euro na money, you still contribute. That's what other people contribute you by. So I was feeling for the guy. And guess what? I was thinking. I said, now wow. Before I watched that video, I was thinking. I said, now wow, this life not easy. Things they happen, and many people they get many stress. But when I see that video, immediately my thinkness just vanish. You know what I do? I don't like to. I don't feel it that night based on a day bed already. I can't talk of my mind. God, I just thank you. I thank you for any situation I am today. No matter what, I just want to appreciate. Thank you for my children. Thank you for my house. Thank you for myself. Thank you for my everybody, for my family. Thank you for everything. I just worship you. I thank you. Do you know why I'm thanking you? God, I believe you know why. At least people are complaining this one or this stress or that one no stress. But there are people that they can't even walk. There are people that can't even talk. There are people that can't even see. There are people that can't even a lot. When I watch that video, in short, that video just encouraged me. Someone say, no, not be say you they think. The reason say, hey, God, don't try. See people where they ground, they don't even see which share they use. When they even buy the person which share of 45,000, be 50,000. You know, the man constantly they okay. But as you know say they okay, you see they use the wish share. The people constantly they promise and say which business you want to do. I don't come watch the video because come like my baby can't wake up and he can't distract me. The video can't come out. I can't session me. You know some video if you just they look at. If you don't look and finish, if you just mistake come out or you tap something or somebody distracts you, the thing just come out. To see them again, not that easy. based on other video don't already they up. So I just say I find out more than 5 minutes. I say if I be 10 minutes, I don't see an arrest. But what have I seen? I was encouraged somehow. Say, this life not easy. I know say stress. They different. They give everybody stress. But then see who know they waka. I beg me masoni. So who know they talk. We better pass that one. See who know they you know. In short, some people they blind. They know they see. Oh God, I didn't make this life. Meaning we better pass those people. We will they see, will they talk, will they waka, will they do everything. So I just want to encourage each and every one of us. Please guys, try to just, you know, appreciate God in everything. I know it's not easy. It's very difficult. I know. Don't tell me what I know because I know. It's not easy. Life himself is a mystery. It's not easy. It's very difficult. Sometimes you won't even buy yourself safe. Don't be lie. Sometimes you think I be me. I just by myself. I don't know the one why I did because I won't can hear me. For real. But one or two things will see how you say don't do it. So give thanks to God in any situation, and secondly, just get out say go better. That is for me. That is the only result. So that is the only belief and the result and the only hope you have in life. No matter how stressful you are, no matter how children will stress you, no matter how your husband will stress you, no matter how your wife will stress you, no matter how the whole world will stress you, no matter what you they pass through, get out for mind, say it is well. It will change one day. Things will never remain like this forever. Because I believe in God, it will not remain like this forever. Never. You understand, my people? So, that one dragged me to my topic today. My topic, rest in peace to that guy in it. Rest in peace to him. Where he go by himself, go commit suicide by himself. It's very painful. Very young guy like that. Commit suicide by himself. It's very bad. It's so painful, you know. That one night family will miss him anyhow, no matter what. According to the video where I watched, where Paitro and one other person do, it's like a breadwinner to the family. Right now, the breadwinner is gone. Now make family good or bad if you did Nigeria. Try to see hustle, do one or two. Now people they sell pure water. You know me, one day you will better you can come for pure water to distributor of pure water. Of course, it's possible. Forget every day Europe, I did Europe, but if I did Nigeria, I believe say lie. I know just to the lack or they depend on my family or my people. No. People they sell tomatoes. Now when I go to Nigeria last year, now see people tomato seller, pure water, llama, fish, maggi. What is it they say? Name it. So they do fingers, they do ordinary eyelash. So they do a lot of things just so they survive. Why some people just sit down, they wait. Hey, my picking for Europe like my brain now. And the day the one message to you people, even if it's not they do all those things, they fix eyelash. They sell pure water, they sell this thing. Not be forever. God will see help una one day. It's better than sitting down so waiting for who will help una, your picking. Now make Europe life they different. I know they say and they pray. All the suffer they suffer with my children, so make I eat the fruit of my labor. But then Europe not be like that. So no, they think can't say because your children can't grow, they'll come they help you and they won't take care of you. I pray. Now you go just arrange your life by yourself for Europe based on say you the reason when you want old. You will gather money for grant or gather business for grant. If you don't do it, you are on your own. But Africa, they go your reason say I beg you. Most of them will not be whole. My parents are not like that. Kudos to them. I love them for that. Right from the beginning. Right from the beginning, my mother went. I don't know how to put it. She went as far as selling whatever. Selling corn, gari, akara, rice, this, nothing when she not sell. For she can't be baby things. She can't sell baby things. Nobody will not know for being. If I call her name now, everybody go hey. But to God be the glory, she not even in Nigeria again today. You understand me? She suffered for us, give us the best in life, put us for private school. Now we not just want to continue going to the school, of course. But I know say yeah, my level for school. I know say I'm going to still try to, I want to talk to a lot of people. I'll feel write, I'll feel read. I still they try. Why they go school back there? I know they only carry, if I carry 4th, 10th, my mama go they cry. Say why? Because I was that smart and clever. But you know, Europe, I don't first make for one of my video. Europe can change your brain. Now to learn the language you the Europe, I mean the country where you did, not be English. Like they Spain, now to learn Spain. You did Italy, now to learn Italian. You did Germany, now to learn Tedesco, which is Dutch. You did any country now that so English country not be waiting day easy to just day. So I not that bad for my topic because now sharp one. I don't want day long because of my kids. Rest in peace to that guy. He paid me why I watched the video. I even shed tears. But the guy just go by himself. Why you go by yourself? Now make a fair advice at the beginning. So no matter the situation, not by yourself. There is hope. When there is life, there is hope. Me when they talk to us so. If you see what I don't pass through for life, it is me my enemy go by myself. But for where he me obey because he buy me for who? I don't understand. For you or for who? Never. Because you know my belief. One of my belief is if I back myself safe, the kind of punishment where God will give me. Hi, oye boy. The punishment, if I made the collect punishment of, for example, 3 euro punishment, my enemy will collect 10 euro because I buy myself. I don't mean they believe, everybody believes they're different. They believe me when making number one. How you go by yourself? No, don't go to that extent. There is hope, there is life ahead. I mean, there is another way around. If one door closed, another one will still open. For real. Now, before people say that line on level, another one a key. Or we have a key. Now, they test you. You understand my people? And they fast they talk because I'm starting they talk number one, number two. I consider they do all these things. I consider they fast. My kids, anything I want, they want to distract me. So, me was get why we rush. If I want cook or anything I want that they rush, they do my things. That no me say my food not the sweet. You know. Not by yourself. It's very bad to do so. May God accept your soul. If not true, say that you by yourself. Unless in a person and go do a movie. Because the story, oh, why you pity. When a person do God not forgive that person. Even if now you born or black. On that thing again, I don't see one of our person, one of our presenters, I don't see talk the story just now. I don't watch you know. Our men, most of them are too desperate. Desperados and markets. I know if you don't get paper, never get picking, get wife, if they pay on a guy, they think they somehow. You know, it go be like so no one even go back on herself. But now small life is not like that in a hurry. Europe of 18. Or my easy. For our mind, don't they come and say, I beg they easy, no level. And lie, you are deceiving yourself, you really say easy. Or my easy at all. It's not easy one day, not easy 1 minute. Europe is the most difficult place to live. For real. Now go, now you know, never go. Don't say, now lie, what this one, they even talk safe. Except say those people, they use 1 or 2 ways they get the money. Now me they talk, people still they do criminal self. Where they use they stealing by trick. They do computer this thing, what they call them Yahoo boys and the rest. Even Okpo Miliki, now me they talk. It not see they easy for them. You get why I know what they talk. Me I don't see that. I don't even live with them. Okpo Miliki ma easy. I make binya over Kaya. Some go be there. What do they call them? Rain go still be there. Snow go be there. Okpo people. It's not easy for them to gather the money. Now so criminal still be. Criminal too. I never thief before. I never still do. I mean, what I try to talk. The point I want to bring up is say no one day easy. Okpo, thief, or criminal. What they call them? All those laptop, abi Yahoo, it is not easy too. They are going a long way. A lot of things. Making a lot of sacrifice before they will constantly get the money. All those Yahoo boys too. Forget. Most of them they set their head. If devil give you head, he will collect your cap. He will collect their cap journal. I drink my water. So that's the way it be, you understand? So at the end of the day, what I'm trying to say is this. My point is this. My main point is this. Europe is not all those men wey say they is whether they desperado. Una go carry Oyibo. Or they find anybody they go not say even if now Oyibo is okay. When I see black, when I go do respect, come on, respect. I'm not gonna respect. And don't talk, please. I'm doing video. You should go to the parlor. Thank you. You understand? Come on and load the television, load the TV in the parlor. Sorry, guys. You understand? Come on, this thing. Come on, this thing. What do they call it? To respect a woman. I don't go. They respect woman. Now they do woman, pa. But if not, you put it. Don't make noise. I don't want it to just shout on my video, okay? Thank you. You understand? Guys, please share the video and like it. And you guys will just take one sense or the other from it. You understand? So, what am I saying? Come on to respect your own black fellow woman. I don't go green respect. I don't green respect them. Now your deal now sabe no level. What did they happen? What did they share? Every level all those kind of things. I don't green never. I don't green respect on our own fellow black human being. But now go they respect Oyibo. See the go Oyibo they beat that one. I shock. The thing I shortalize. I don't understand. I mean, see the way Oyibo they beat the sorry guys. See the way Oyibo they beat the man, the guy. It didn't shock me. You get why? But no black boy go gree me or a girl, black girl they beat her like that. Yes, my lady, good afternoon. I greet you. You understand? Don't make noise. I'm doing video, okay? Bye. Go to the parlor. You understand? Go to the sitting room. You understand me? See the way you both they give and bozak. The thing can't even they make me the shock as they beat them. But they will never tolerate black woman beating them like that or slapping them or even shouting at them. They'll tell you, say, what if they talk about you shout for me? They will even call really for real. They go call Kagbe, they will call Nigeria for your head, say why they shout for me, even if you never marry, even if you marry you, they'll go they shout. Or they made you, they say, this woman not a better woman. I hear woman, why do they shout for me? I go to do this one. See Oyibo, the nonsense way with they tolerate for man for real. Oyibo not fit try and they not fit make that mistake tolerate and get why. They get they don't tolerate. And yeah, me they don't die better pass. They will tell you, say, come, they crazy, are you mad? Who you help? My friend, get out from my house. But black go tolerate all those nonsense, follow them. Black go tolerate all those nonsense, follow them. You and black woman go there, that man marry, una no marry self. Una go there. For example, the black woman go say, okay, we'll see you. Say how you want to touch me. I don't do this video because how you want to touch me. See where they like. For where the black man say, huh? For waiting. But Oyibo no go even ask themselves. Before Oyibo go even open mouth ask them. They go do everything. Iye we hiya, I mean iye we la loni san la luhe la le hiya. Iye la le hiya. Our black people, most of them will not be all our black men. Kai, the kind of fire will not for boys not dying. I not be God, but the kind of here and wanna give one. It's too much. You get why? Hey, I be traditional man. I be traditional man. I be traditional man. But I'm not tradition for Oyibo. No, I call it tradition for black woman. Why? Why mumu never too much? No, mumu never too much. No, I call it tradition follow a black person like you. A woman own at Meroji. We're not supposed to do. We're not supposed to do. We're supposed to do tradition. They follow Oyibo, but now they do tradition. They follow your black woman. If Oyibo, now you're there with Oyibo. Thank you, my lady. Now you're there with Oyibo. Now they say, I know they do. I know they. Sorry, I'm not go do one. Before Oyibo go even ask, now go do everything. While la loni san la le hiya la luhe. Now go do everything. Use tongue take clean all your body from head to toe. Now go use that. I don't care. Oyibo never even ask you yourself, now go do one. Now go do one. But if black, even mistake, even talking for your mouth, now go call Okagbe, now go call Nigeria. Thank you, my lady Joe. Now the truth. Yes. Now call Okagbe for now say for waiting. For waiting. Eh? Waiting she dey talk. Why go say make at the laloy? Why go say make at the laloy? Why go say make at the liquor for what? I dey craze, I go lick am. But you know they craze, you go dey lick Oyibo. See una life now, most of una. Desperado. Eh? Most of them are very desperate because they want to get that thing, paper or picking from that Oyibo or whatever. Which one I'll get for black? Yes, of course, I'm saying the truth. Now, no go say na lie she dey talk. I know say I dey talk the truth. You understand? Eh? Una you see Oyibo now, no lick you, una say. I like am, but the way they suffer, una they suffer for Oyibo now, they not be here. Now go clean house, do mop, do this one, even cook for Oyibo. Even do this one, after they go accept now space that space I want back, and I go carry am, go carry Oyibo bag, carry this one, do everything. And I go do everything. I mean they text you. I know what they talk. And they see them. I don't first see them, but they will not risk it with black woman. They'll say, I'm for waiting. I be traditional man. As they carry load, they follow you now. Carry them by yourself. They go begin to receive call, unnecessary call. They blow guy, they call, they talk. They go talk from supermarket, go reach house. They go even reach out. They don't go drop phone. They'll say they talk for more than 5 hours. They don't go discharge that person. I beg, they come. I want carry something. I want carry something with my woman. What you want eat for where? They go leave their woman. Sometimes their woman go even get picky for vagging. That vagging, that is a passagino. Or back. So you go back and for back or whatever. Or you go use something they carry. They go. You woman go see carry load for pusher. Way back from space when they want to chop. The guy go out there, they follow the stroke for back. They will go follow him. If not, you know go see follow. You go then house. They watch TV or they press phone. At the end of the day, you might go buy things come. She will suffer. She can they cook and do everything. I don't understand. I long story. The whole story too much. It's too much, but I'm gonna give that black person a woman. I wanna give black person, black to black, that respect. I wanna help that person, that black woman. She for respect you, love you, give you picking where you want, give you paper where you want. But I'm not gonna do it with whites. Whites now they don't get sense. Now they even get sense past with black. I pray, whites get sense past with black. Whites get sense past with black. For real. The father of my kids, me and him not day again. He go meet Oyibo, all those one day, among why we separate. Even mistake, don't even give him belly. As he give him belly, guess what, my people? The Oyibo look up, he look, they say, for your mind. You give me belly, I give you paper, abi. Ebo, Oyibo will go meet, they speak be me. Oh, God. Akure Joshua. Me no here. Ebo da many high. Olobo Joshua. Story too much what I want to share, but I just want me I don't get that people, don't get people who go they wash. I don't want me to share them for okay, can I understand? So but small, I go see the share and go they come out one by one. Everywhere good. We know you get but bad guy. Can you imagine? That was what I say for your mind. Or that time we don't new enter Jamie. We don't new enter you Jamie here. So of us enter together. He said, they come, they say, no, paper is different for your mind. Me, I give you paper. I know they give you this paper. I know they give you this paper. You hear me away? Or you both tell them, crow, say, no, they give them paper. Say, if not paper, they find waste time. You drive rock, you know, they give them in your die, better pass. Guess what? Make I shock you now. Or you both confirm German woman. Hey, God, things they happen for life. He said for me to give, I will remove the belly or I will give on that person. I will collect a woe, put a boy there. So he said, that my ex-husband. That's why he said, na joke. That one to push her out, tell her, say, get out. Want to meet your wife. Which is me, say, me go meet me again. Say, you know what again? All those kind of things. Things they happen for life. It's the person never. What the person never see for life. I said it here for too long stories. People they see. We don't see too much. People drivers, I know they give you paper for you to give you paper. I will drive you at the end of the day. I will see from your person give another person. Or you both they speak pidgin English. Me not have speak pidgin English. I they learn, they go school for all you both. Or Zoe service you can pass me. Or you both they almost they speak Benin, they speak Igbo. Because you don't born for 3 Igbo people or be something like that. Don't be live. This is a true life story confirmed. On a very good day, I'll tell you the story where we open the whole 5-4 now laughter. Yeah. We they quarrel say I don't want to again because I don't want to again because they go give Oyibo belly. Me don't want to get those kind of stuff. At the end of the day, because he gone back, they come they beg, they kneel down, they cry. Now mistake now Oyibo now say shut up. Oyibo not be human being. Or born a human being like me. You know what he come over and name me desperado. In short, this topic is supposed to be desperado. So desperate, you cannot wait. And of course, you know, say yes. My body good, I don't feel born for you for IT. Because say, and you get paper for IT, just like you need this gem, you want by force, say, make your person, your one, gree. Not be gree, everything small, slow, steady when you raise. See this guy that don't late now, RIP, now he's very painful, small young boy. I don't believe that boy will not even reach 35 or 40 self. Because he's very the person just lost again. Eh? Because I say, okay, one day with Oyibo, they promise and say get belly, all those kind of stuff. Only if Oyibo get belly, fine, you stay with her, fine. But must you just kill yourself because Oyibo say they fight you, or you go say they became that in one day again. As you see how the condition be, Oyibo they, you know, they sleep all this kind of thing. Don't make noise. I'm doing video, please. It's okay. You understand? Oyibo they sleep and all those kind of things. Eh? You they follow as you consider as you be. You rest. They say, hey, normal girl like where they be. Girl, you know if you follow where you see say the road they somehow you pass and back. Even if you don't fair meet 5 wives, 5 women, 5 Oyibo or 7 Oyibo and black, tell you to stop, please. You understand that they distract me small, but I'll soon end the live video right now. You understand me? I didn't put my own face, so that's how it be with children. So you understand, my people? Oh, this thing sugar, they don't want sugar. Get one juice where they drink. They say 0 sugar, and like all sugar else day. You understand, my people? So now so it busy the juice, but you don't they finish for inside. The carton said they don't even throw me and my children because they don't let me drink and finish. Hey, I agree. You understand? So at the end of the day, you're not supposed to buy yourself. It's very painful. When you buy yourself, you see the Oyibo, they harass you, they follow you, they fight everything. You'll live on. You'll come on, life goes on. There's another life ahead again. You don't understand. That's the way it be. That's the way it be. Which one of it be a follow black? No. It's not nice. It's very bad. One has the beer with a black woman with your own country. You just say everything go good. But we hear when they don't borrow away. Now maybe this one, maybe that one. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. Eh? It's very bad. And every woman don't get sense. That be the good thing. Most of them don't get sense. Out of 100, before you go see 30 will not get sense again. They hard. 80% don't get sense. Even more than 80. They go even use you. Go even throw you with be man for real. A boy day. Huh? If you're in Rome, you behave like a Roman. Una go they carry Ebola as they be God. But I'm not carrying our own black woman like God. Eh? Lick all your body, do everything. If black talk and say, okay, touch me or lick my body, you say for what? Okagbe must hear. Okagbe go hear word. Nigeria go hear the word. And Nigeria go settle. Why? It's not nice. And some of our people don't go, they say they want marry for Nigeria. And our women for years, they don't do okpo, they make us not good again, this and they blah blah blah. Or they look down, they laugh. Well, when I just give it a try, and that's my advice. But now go, hey, I pray for now when once you try, I'm going to see help now, but it is not all that drink that are good.
We don't want ice cream.
Because for it, those people
we don't want ice cream.
Okay, take ice cream there. For it, those one within Nigeria,
okay.
Then now that money they want. Anything which even if now okay, nothing be okay. That's when they work herself. If you even toast woman for Nigeria, you show a video saying no they work. As I say the man get money, not consign them. Or as I say don't even use the ear say hey, this person in Nigeria, in the Europe, you go say I go green, I go marry you. He go with you. Go the marriage, do everything, go do it. Make it stay for the marriage and don't be the problem. So who wants to go marry and sabi or for advice, I'm not try it. I'm gonna go find for other place. Who knows see for Germany, you see for Italy, you see for Spain, you see for France, you see for different countries. You say that Nigeria you want to see, now you pull home for my brother or my sister. I saw this small. Because the same thing applies to women too with different husbands. Because they'll be listening in Nigeria, they will see their husband. I know some will be lucky because of God Almighty, they will see the lucky one. But most people are not opportune to be lucky. You know, most of it, majority is not lucky because that money wey they give them, that your husband or wife wey dey Nigeria go say they shine, another man or another woman go dey shine am. A boy wey dey nothing dey happen. The way you go know, you go tell you say how far market. You dey here for your mind that be I not be human being. That's why I go answer you for your mind. I not be human being. I be wood. I know do. I be anyo. I so go tell you wish. So guys, we should just try to use our brain, use our sense. All those guys where they desperate, stop being desperado. Small, take it easy. You go get that paper one day, you go get everything. Nobody carry paper. And small we still take get time. And small will say get time. You will get time one day. I'll be big. No, it will not solve the problem. You understand? Instead, you are digging your early grave, most of you. See this one now, he go dig his grave by himself. Now he keep now he by himself, now only God know if now you go by and now. But then you just dig your grave by yourself. You will not go, they fight you. You come out. Let people they marry. If they fight you or they do one or two things, you run, you come out, you as in you live on. You live on, you turn to single mother. Don't say we like him, don't say anybody like him, because one situation or the other is better. Of course. It's better you come a single mother than to die being married to a man. God forbid to fear. Yes, Mona ring bell, Mona beg, go, Mona down for BPC, put down for anything. Hey, there be single mother, I be single mother, name you know, Wala, or Master, we our dog here, major, or the name of say, I want to hold the marriage, I want the marriage to work, I want to be with him. Excuse me, Jesus, him your way, God forbid bad thing. I prefer to be a single mother 100%, even 101%, than to come by during saving my marriage. God forbid. On that thing again, marriage. It's not everybody that must marry, and marriage is luck. No reason that marriage is God and luck. That's two things goes together. God and luck. And secondly, not be everybody must marry. Of course, if you born, but not be everybody must marry. So not envy all the things. Yeah, I know it's painful. Hey, my friend married, I never see married, I know they with husband, and the husband they shine and they go party. I understand it's very, very painful, but everybody I want to say different blessing. I don't treat and say everybody get different blessing. Not be where Osasume forget blessing. Now there, Osagbemori forget blessing. Different blessing. That's all it be. You understand? Europe is not easy. So we should understand it and behave. When you're a Roma, you behave like a Roma. I know it's very difficult for us to say as how they behave like a Roma. When I get Roma, people name you. No. Try to behave like them because that is the only way. If you don't want to behave like them, you're Gog. Can you use the law in Nigeria to be comparing the law in Europe here? Europe here, no matter what, if he said if man or woman did, now the man will get out from the house. Even if a balik be called us, maybe the man go from the house. But Nigeria, if he said that they call it and the man go throw away load, go say get out. But for here and line and the woman go throw away man load. So for that woman I get sense, woman I receive sense. When they receive the sense, it's a big difference for real. Eh? How you just go by yourself like that because of say Oyibo? You live on. Your God will still push you to the next level, to the next door. God will still bless you, will still give you your man. You know the guy they be, nothing with God, nothing they do. You understand me? Nothing with God, nothing do. You carry by yourself like that. Because of baby saying, I need baby, the baby buy. So for that reason, you buy, follow the baby. And you buy, follow your baby. And a line, every woman they told you, according to the story. Your was never even pregnant. She was just pranking. Eh? And you supposed to say no get belly. For me, as a suspect of that, you put like buy and shower. Me, I not believe in like by himself. Because the bedroom, the way that it's occurring is too short for him to just feel by like that. You understand? Okay, baby, when they say, hey, when you go die for now, you will be the black boy, our brother. A lot of people, 90%, 80%, they run because of baby. If you tell me, say, I get belly, go, you're wrong. Or you tell you, come, go remove this belly. If you not remove one, you're a born bastard. I don't care. You not concern you. She be one point, you're a born bastard. Now you know. You understand? Now so many they talk. Don't be your eye, you say remove her. Or some go see, show stop when they go born and they say, no, I want to my picking, I beg, I don't feel shot. You like, get out, go to her and kill yourself. Go by yourself. I'll born my picking because my age. I need to born my picking. You understand? It's not good. To by yourself is very, very bad. Everybody get your belief. For me, I don't believe if you buy yourself. No say I believe the Bible. If you buy yourself, the kind of punishment God will give you. The punishment will worse past other punishment because you buy yourself. How you will buy person or how you will buy yourself, that too sin. It's too great. It's too much. We dey sing every day. We dey complain say they sing too much. You go dey buy yourself. Now never come worse past. You understand? Yeah. Those are our men. Most of them they'll come from Libya. They'll come they do any other. They'll come they do say they too know, they too much, they too get swag, and they don't know anything. When you come in for Europe, they get sense past you. A person will do Europe for 20 years or 25 years or 21 years or 19 or 15 years. You come 2 years, 3 years ago. You want to chance say after they live for waiting. You not feel work now. You be joker now. You not feel go work. You get why? You not feel work. Now reject the kids that don't want say the person go the woman go born bastard because now black. But for you born and they find a half caste. Ask me the difference now. Picking and picking. You never see black beauty on your must you only thief the black. But they even lick it for the black, go black like this by table. If you maintain away, go there okay, go fine. And small. You understand? When they find Africa, some people there, some black boy like Africans pass their mama, pass their self. But that's why they see, that's why they receive a lot. Take it to the room. Sorry guys. That's why they receive a lot for that thing what they do. You understand my people? That's why they receive a lot. Yeah? For that kind of act, for that kind of character what they do. Now you believe say yes, so African woman not be here, not be here. When a black and a Igbo woman be here. See now, because of a Igbo woman and the way they beat you, you go by yourself. Just like that. Eh? Go by yourself because of a Igbo woman. Value what you have. Value it. Eh? It is not all that glitter that are gold. No matter what, value what you have. Our black men, they will not value what you have. I mean, our women, they will not value it. They say you value what you have before you will lose it. It is not all that glitter that are gold. Value it, they will not value. They'll say now Igbo or now this, now that. I'm a traditional woman, man. I hate that word. I hate man. I don't know, shall God forgive me and it's sure na life I did. I dislike man. Look, close the door, baby. Don't take ice cream again. It's okay. Please. Thank you, guys. My kids, ice cream with the fridge. I want to finish. Oh, man. You understand? Value what you have. The kind of word where you dislike, as women they talk most time, I be traditional man. How you want to do tradition for you? I don't first preach this matter. I don't first talk about my platform before. Eh? How you want to do tradition for Europe again? I don't understand. Wanna grow up. Primitive men, most of you now. Wanna grow up. You can't do tradition in Europe. Do it in Africa. Not here in Europe. Carry yourself, go back, deport yourself, go back, go and do I'm a traditional man in Nigeria. Not be Europe here. Because European traditional know they work. You know they work for me, I don't know. Now see you now just they touch them, lick their body, but you'll see black go tell you okay, touch me or lick me like this. You say no. You will say no. You say you be traditional man. You come to do tradition for black woman, but you know I'm done for Igbo. I don't understand now. Now guy say that make they lose their life, they kill themselves for nothing. Because this guy don't love this Igbo, don't Igbo la Lord me sign la lay here near that one don't promise and even on earth. At the end of the day, Igbo tell us I don't remove 8 months plus pregnancy, nothing they happen, all those kind of things. Now I say no. If the baby is dead, I'll still go and by myself. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? They lose your life because of 1 or 2 things. Waiting on the very 100% important. Of course, speaking they important, but are you sure? You know that the woman really get belly. According to the woman, the way they talk, she was just lying, pranking you. Eh? Even if you really get belly, self must you die follow picking with business, never even born con life. Am I you never born my con life? You must not kill yourself. You must not buy yourself. When I get sense and when I receive sense, our desperado men, most of you sure this topic na desperado men. Eh? Our desperado men, just get sense. When I try, when I get sense. When I stop. They want to collect a bed, they want to collect paper for woman, the way they do. The way they do, especially if they're white, they go to do anything doable. But if not black, they go they do shakara, they misbehave. They wait when you greet the early morning, they say, hey, love is a lamogo, all those kind of things. If you don't greet the side of the vest, but Oyibo that they will first prepare coffee. Go to the parlor, I'm talking. And they'll first prepare coffee, prepare. And they'll first prepare coffee, prepare anything, give them when they eat, when they drink. But they go down to Nigerian woman, I pray, oh, I went to Nigerian woman, I pray me they down to Nigerian woman. You understand? All those kind of things, guy be. You know, it don't make sense. It don't make sense. You guys should try to just stop and just, desist from all those acts. Take away your Nigerian person, you take it. Just take it and try to love them. Love them. That's what you want to do with you. But done with your Nigerian woman, he will love you in return. He will give it to you they want. And that paper they find will give you one day small. I'm sorry, you just say I beg you. And then you help me like that. It don't make sense. It's very, very bad. It don't make sense. Come respect Oyibo pass black. You love Oyibo pass black. And at the end of the day, if Oyibo do nothing they happen, Oyibo dey. If na black woman she deal with it, that man just deal with just that. Come go by himself like this. You will see what they will do to that black woman, or they go dig the matter, reach the core. Or it won't matter now, they don't go dig anything, they will say I beg you. So why you will go for foreigners and at the end of the day, short, I don't know how to put it sharp, but when I see sense some of our men. Now make our women, most of them, they go they follow Kokobiri, una they shout, Kokobiri oh, hey, Kokobiri oh, who follow Kokobiri self in the better, for read the good. Don't make noise, okay? I'm doing something. Don't follow Kokobiri self, then it makes sense fast. Most of them will not be all, because you get why? You know they okay, you only they do you with the Nigerian man. Why not wrong go be Kokobiri? Of course, not go to Kokobiri. Hey boy, there. Go to the parlor, take your ice cream and go. Bye-bye. Sorry guys, okay, ice cream. I don't know it. I'm feeling with you understand? Who follow Kokobiri said they better, most of them they better pass. You get why? You get why? Most of them better pass because they do out here. They will say I don't fit to. I don't fit keep myself. I follow person with their wow for me. I don't relax. I don't get peace of mind. Go follow person. Be say I don't get peace of mind. Blabon one killer. If Blabon one tiny, but Kokobiri no go tiny. Kokobiri go see they consider. Kokobiri go see they okay. Go see the reason. Say okay. You know those kind of things. But Blabon no go reason. You go your commot as the Nigerian men. No, your commot. They say I beg rat. But Kokobiri go see they feed them. They reason they pity for them. They do all those kind of things and a lot of things. Kokobiri go say yes, what you want for bed, you go do one. But Blabon go say I beg, I don't fit do that kind of thing because I'm a traditional man. A lot when Blabon no go green to most of them. But they'll go down with Oyibo. Now make our Nigerian women, most of them, they'll go cook man follow Kokobiri. We're not going to love them. Make women, they go, Kokobiri wife, Kokobiri woman. Kokobiri woman because they want their happiness, they want their joy. They want to feel man. Are you there bear with man to say, okay, do this and go say, you no go do. You no go do, you no want time. But you go down to Oyibo. Then the woman will say, I bet they go get out. I don't want again. I kukuma go follow Kokobiri or Oyibo myself. We go down with me. Yes, this life now one. First by don't finish, no level. So see the life, you see they try to see find anything will give you enjoyment, anything will make you happy. You understand? Especially the day where you go sit there with man. Not be everyday person they day with man because not be food but at least once in a while, now say enjoy yourself. As in do the man go do what you want, you two go do what the man wants. Now feel yourself, finish, go back. You know what I say? But so you say I beg go, hey, name you, but name you what you gonna pay me pass? You no go down with the black woman. We're not going down with Oyibo. How market are far. Desperado. That word desperado is very, very important, very, very vital. Desperate men, most of them. You won't do it with your black woman, with your African woman, with a woman owner Meroyi, but you want to go to one with Oyibo. See now, most of them they bound herself. They bound herself, you know, guy like that. It's very painful. It's painful. If we see something, we need to talk, and the truth is very bitter. It's very painful. Than it to for a young guy just by himself like that because of Oyibo. That boy will give, for example, now maybe may so rest in peace. But most of them here, I won't judge him because he's already dead. It's already bad. But most of them will give woman a belly. They will tell woman, say, go remove her. If you don't remove her, who will be a bastard? You can make her. The woman will cry, will go remove her. Because of that one today, many women not feel born for real. Me, I don't see with my eye. I don't see with my eye. The house where I fell live years ago. Then I say, no remove, go remove this bed, no remove one, and you know. That one come fear, go remove us. So they talk nothing tomorrow. I'm talking about 10 years ago. Oh yeah, live there. I'm talking about 10 years ago. Till now, I not feel born again. You not feel born again. Never see born 10 good years. I mean, this is marriage. The man doesn't tell and say, no, you don't want it again because you don't tired, because you not green born. Based on say black boy that year, you tell and say remove belly. Because some people they are blessed with only 1 or 2 or 3. I don't first talk for one of my live videos if they follow me. Not everybody go born 6, born 10, born 20. No. Someday, even if they remove the belly 100 times, they will see born that 20, that 100. Someday, if they remove belly only once, they're not going to green born again. Me, I get person like that from my own family. You understand? But everybody not be the same. Some people they go remove and they will see born. You understand? Person like me, to God be the glory. Even if me remove belly, if I want to take it, I go take it. For real. But I thank God for that blessing. Everybody get different blessing. The grace of God, not be my power. That's why still be with some people. Tina, Joy, Osasu, they will still get the same blessing, not be only me. Why some not get that blessing? If you remove belly once or twice, or what for? Boy, you know, everybody. Okay, I want the grace of God mistake. Can I go contain born 1 or 2? In short, that mistake many things they born at the end. We go there 50 something. Now mistake. Most of them they green born again. Except what they call they do now, they call on a cheesy, I don't know what they do. When they can go to use money to pay, you got a 15,000 euro, no, you got a boy. Man, man, are free, mama pay 1 naira, shishi, will not even pay. You understand? But God give us that blessing. That's how we be. So most of our black boy, wanna change. Wanna they appreciate what you get. If I see black woman, when I deal with black woman, wanna appreciate her and love her. Do everything we want for bed. Carry and go supermarket. Help pound, do carry load, do this or do that one. Do where the way you want to do with Oyibo. Believe me or not, he go still give you that paper. But you don't want to do it with time. You want to do it with Oyibo. Oyibo go suffer. You go give pepper soup water drink for real. I mean they test you. I mean they talk to you. I know what I did talk. So you go say this our brother now. Just go buy for now. Oyibo give him pepper soup water drink. And another thing we get Oyibo, most of them, I say Oyibo, most of Oyibo, they are not still correct. They depressed also. And our black women, most of our black women better pass Oyibo for real. I mean they test you. Now Jamie hear me from you say most of our black women they better pass Oyibo. Most of them they go, I don't want you to go deeper. Egbema oriyan ibun. Some they scream for train station ban on self for real. On egbe ho imagine ya lo be ban on for train station and you me God for be poor. Ya lo be train station ban on for inside coal for grant. Prefer to just go my own Nigeria, go stay, relax, they do business for day. Salobwa, he marry rent. He matter you wear rent. I don't understand. Egbema oriyan ibun. Now go carry and say, Igbo, why you must say, oh, you wanna be with this the day 1 month. 1 month they don't go bath. Me, I don't see them many. Black not fit stay 1 day not bath for real. Black woman not fit stay 1 day not bath. Or you go fit stay 1 month, 2 months they don't go bath pour water for body. They say no, they don't they waste water like that. 1 second they don't they bath for that. Why you they bath? Your skin will they rough if they bath. That's why they talk. I don't read that for even Google. I don't even do, check and for Google. Wait till you both believe. So different belief. So man, I don't talk too much my people because I want to do all that thing now. Don't cook my food. I want to come eat. Since morning, I never eat your tea. I take. I don't quit the eat. I don't tell you eat so tight. They were hungry. Where 2 after 2, so tight 3, 4. I'm not too hungry since. And now I was like the hungry. I want you eat them. So that if I eat them, I'll feed you this clip. So my people, the men, most of the men, wanna try, wanna hear, wanna receive sense. For not doing and for now good. For not see doing and for now good too. You know, not be make by so. I know everybody will go one day and the guy by so. I wish you follow one black person, or I wish as you follow Igbo, they fight you every day. You run come out, even leave your load for themselves. You don't care. You don't care. Me with the toss, I don't leave my load. I'll leave one for person house. That year before I come with the bonbon, all those kind of things. Why they knew the friend, but I leave my load by luggage because he beat me once. I know the expensive thing where I get for my luggage. You know, see, you know where. If you like, go share them for less privilege. If you like, share them for the new wife when you want to carry, I don't care. But God know my mind. See, my hands clean. For you to come by me because I say you love me, God forbid. Oh, hey, you know me. Oh, no. With the clothes I you wear, that they not even short. I even wear. Said, don't say all those years back. We will be like back. I mean, we don't come be about after children. You understand me? You also feel one kind of gunshots like that. You have one singlet. Don't say that yet. You understand me? And then you know, you're wrong. As I enter bus, I be trained. I say they come. Why you reason? I say the way they blast me, when person see me for those say, who do you this one? I say no, na accident my enemy get. They say you just use glass, they cover your eye. Like this, na accident your enemy get. You sure? They don't already code say now my boyfriend beats me. When me your reason and the way they come they ask me and the way they come they tell me say no, your boyfriend they beat you, not good, don't go buy you one deal. Where are your reason now? For real, not go ask come back. And that you're in that trade, come out, go on that city. I block my number, block everything, go back on that. Huh? When they call people, they know me. I say I beg. Not because they violent, they beat, and they bear them with her for almost 2 years for waiting. I been not by force. Now I run. And really, that guy fought by my enemy. I even hear later on say the guy he beat one of his girlfriends too. That was called the coma. Now the grace of God, they want to survivor. You know, so they see person they beat. So I don't want you to go deep because many topics they like they throw many topics for inside the matter, which I know what I do. So now about that guy where you're done and you want to throw away. May so rest in peace. Men, you people should not be a desperado again. Take care of your woman, black women. They're good. If you treat them well, they are very good. But if you go to meet Oyibo, I don't say not meet Oyibo. If you meet Oyibo, it's just the Oyibo no one put head down. They smoke, they sniff, they follow you, they fight. They do this one, they do somehow wrong. Come on, it's not be bad. It's not me, it's not forever thing, it's not a do or that thing. You understand? You come on, you understand? No, you understand? That's all where the thing be. So that's all where it be, my people. So thank you guys, you understand? Thank you guys, eh? I just tired. Oh, I part on woman finish, they'll leave and they'll say, I bet this woman don't get level. If you born, you want bomb bastard. Eh? But at the end of the day, you go the crap or you go picking, say, make you go born for you, or you born not born, you picking, or you say, picking that, picking back, you go kill yourself. Why you kill yourself? Why should you go to that level? No. No. There's a way out. There's more way. There's more life to live after you still live one relationship. I don't say people on the different relationship they go, but if you say no work out, live. Now me they tell you my story. Say me don't run, come on, leave my luggage. I know the expensive thing where I buy even gold things under my luggage. The time one will be say that good, you fit buy land. I run, come on, I leave one. I say God forbid. You know when don't bog me what? Now mistake, you mistake. For real, you make mistake because not be me. Now wrong number, then you die. I the wrong number. That's why I take wrong. Yes, so thank you, my lady Joe. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you. Please help me to share and like this video. And all those are our black boy. Most of them gonna receive sense. So gonna receive sense. So if not, now soon now enemy go they buy one by one. So it won't be say we not gonna get me again. So I beg, if we not buy like that, who want marry our single mother? Who want marry the one never stay born? Eh? Who want marry them? Woman go they marry woman and they complain say lesbian not good. Really lesbian not good. Now not supposed to they marry us. They marry everybody. But when I call they buy one by one, go for you one or two things. Well, the black woman when I get, you don't know what you have till you lose it. If it's not all that glitter that are gold, not be everything with glitter be gold. Don't be all you be gold. Or you your fight for skin for nothing, no level. They not they even they bath. Say some of them. Some of them they bath. You go. Me I know what I they talk. That one pass. But then anyhow. As they fight you, they do all those things. They say this or they come on, it's not by force. Only if you leave your property there, God will see help you. You'll see buy the things again. Me, I know how to what I don't lose because of say maybe man I go wrong come out. I know what I don't lose because of man. Don't be lie. Don't be lie. Not today. Me, I don't even lose what go even build house because of my bagger. I say God forbid. I bet story too much. You don't say. Don't take, but thank God, say God don't see the whole thing, don't see the different. You understand? We'll not be a gear, but bad die. So guys, God will bless you all for watching, and please help me to share the video and like those videos, and share it and like it, and yeah. You understand? Many black men now they will say sorry if they make mistake. So you both, but they don't go ever. Yes, go and play outside. They will never tell black girl. They will never tell our black to black say sorry. But they will tell you both say sorry. They don't agree to. They will beg you. They don't green bed black. You understand? It's very bad when I learn. Guy take day. You understand? Maybe the guy come to show they depressed and according to some people. Or in short, the Oyibo confirm say they depressed because they say that when they sniff, they no fit day without sniffing and all those things. And many say they sleep. I be like they day. Meaning the way the pressure come they give the man the guy now, and the guy consider they kind of depressed and go by and say no fit endure that. But my brother, message to everybody, all men, most men, if you say you not fit bear the situation of your woman again, either black or white, you don't come out, leave her. Go find life for another way. If one way close, another one will see open, God will see doing. So far they prayer for God, go do nothing with God, not if they do. Don't buy yourself. That one is the least. That one said they will dash you money, say give you the whole world. They will tell you say you want to be Obama, you want to be Berlusconi, you want to be Angela Merkel, you want to be whatever. Donald Trump ability. Just buy yourself if you just buy yourself, we'll give you Donald Trump. Not do. Don't buy yourself. For which reason? You know the kind of punishment God will punish you for fire. Don't do it. And secondly, if you see buy yourself, who lose? As this boy dies, I mean lose. It's very bad. Can't give the family pain, heart attack, BP. Excuse me, it's not good. Not good to buy yourself. It's very, very bad. Desperado. Black men, I need paper. Must you do it by force? Must you use however you do your way? You do where one go. Now small, God go do one. Ways go open, things go change. Prayer and work towards it. Don't depend yourself on the woman or on the Oyibo. If you do like that, you don't see that paper. But if they work, people don't get a bed, they don't get paper, then they go borrow paper till they work. If they work, they do things, they behave well. You they respectful too. You see they behave well. You will see the paper, but you don't behave well. You say you be black boy, I be a traditional man, I be this, I be that. I pray, you know, see that paper. Me, I don't see person for this city where I did. The woman don't feel born. Other man want to stand, they can't even engage all those kind of things. You can't even ask the man, the guy say, this one we can't engage me, so not be paper, you can't find them. And the guy can say, no, not be paper, I all day with you, I love you, all those kind of can't do. Guess what, my people? You know, even reach 4 months, I be 5 months, it's set. When he said now, the way the man can do, Alpha, you know go marry, I want to put money for your head now, I make for bone now. Those kind of the girl can say, I don't ask you say no be bonbon, you want to rush me for so don't be paper if I say no. This how we can talk say you want to put money for but we don't already do introduction, engagement, that never reach. You know I don't forget kids. You know say I don't forget kids and we don't already do engagement already. You never reach, you never do. Must we just hurry. You don't know you never reach 6 months, you only hurry meet for everything. Most know each other first now. Most you understand each other first. They see 2 years at least. 3 years self. They see. But also that 6 months, you're in a hurry, they do everything. You're hurry, engage me. On that 3 months, you know me, don't engage me. Okay, you don't engage me, that will not be problem. Now you they force me. You guys say if they want even make love for best, the first thing we go ask how far. You know what you they do for nothing, you know. And they can say, yeah. Why even make love? They say you know why even they do the papers for nothing. I should have known it's on the lab now. May I end my video. Thank you guys. You understand? He said the guy go say, I beg you, I don't want you to do Vaga for nothing. No. The girl say you need that now. Which one be don't want to do Vaga for nothing? You say, me wa how you to Erica. I just do it for nothing like that. You know, get belly nothing on the low level. I don't say, but you not talk about picking now. Second, even if picking won't even come or won't even prepare for that one. Now small now. Not be hurry on that 6 months where you're day. And you promise say no be paper you can't find. But right now the way they do you're they shows in a paper. Can they say the way content they do to even you will be my woman. The way content they do to if na paper maybe paper. Me need that now. Before I be not need that. But right now I need that. And they can say, okay, bravo. You need that. You be not need that before. And I can't confess say you need that. Oh Bob, I will gog you. For me, I don't want born again. Until you hear me, even if I want even born me, I pity for you. Because the way they do, they behave like ladder they give, even if God come down. Even if God say I want even die, He prefer making your buy to give you this thing because you say you get sense. Can you imagine those kind of men, boys who come from Libya, most of them, especially those who come from Libya, and get the way they say they, I swear, very desperado. That make this topic now desperado men. Be careful. You understand? Desperado people. You understand? Those people they desperate. Desperate be my people. So thank you all. God bless you all. Be careful, man, and just try to change. And even women today, put my body, The guys they can't drag me. They can't say, I beg, get out from my house. Don't forget, God don't bless me with children already. Make me come born for you. And the way they do, you are the very desperate. If you tell me say you don't need them, but right now the way they do, it shows say you need them badly, brutally. For your mind, me will give you this thing. I pray, oh, you understand? You can say, come try, say me come on. As he come after 3 months, the man come back again. I beg now, just forget the past, don't pass. I don't know that time I mistake. I for not hurry like that. I don't realize my mistake. I did get say no the green. If you even the green for yourself, or even say make him manage you again, you just be my spare tire. You are not by real man, share you know, and spare you can be. If you don't know me, you know. Why I want make you spare based on the time we spend together. Me not also be a bad person. Now I make it to be a spare tire. Then I see the real man, the cocoa. I go throw away one touch, follow that one. I swear, oh, not that one for granted. And the guy can say, okay, in here, in don't agree. Can you imagine? They put you for upstairs before you come put yourself for downstairs. Can you imagine? I'm way they go now where you talk. It be a boom. I only want to take frustrate most of you. True to God, that frustration they do press up follow now. Now this is not wise, you're not wise. This time around, I woman wise pass. Second, you not forget one thing, and it's very important. Not be saying there's a brag. Nigeria. Now the man go throw away the woman load. He go say the woman go frustrate. Go define house, woman helper, pastor house, man, auntie, man. For Europe, I pray. Oh, now the woman by herself go throw away your load. Now you go goggle, you frustrate, you go camp again for real. Hey boy, you go to sleep ban of train station. I mean they test you. I know that because someone have get sense on a brain. Now in the Europe, one not the reason the way the people in Africa they reason. Now the Europe they use sense because you get why. You get why because you woman go throw your load every day. That one say throw a load. Throw and pass back on and say, oh yeah, get rats. And now you want you define picking. Tell me say not be picking, you cannot be people you define for your mind. You can't even tell the man say maybe get better if I go remove from because cannot they give you. You get why? You just say you smart. You're not Spanish for me. They come back now, they beg and say, hey, Kemo, sit there, I miss you, I still love you. And they can say, no, green, if I want even green. But I want green for one condition, that condition will be spare tire. Meaning the girl will say, go get another woman. Sorry, the girl say, go get another man. You now just another second Papa Jiro. He say, yes. And the man can say, why you do like that? I say, yes. Now the way you want me, I put you now, I put you. So if you don't need that, get out. You know, now woman get power for Europe now. And they get power pass for Europe, forget that thing. We know they use something to brag, but it's just the truth. So you guys should learn. So bye bye my people. God bless you all. Help me to share and like this video. And guys, be careful and know yourself and try to just be smart. Don't think it's all that glitter and gold. And stop being desperado, looking for paper or whatever. It's not big, small. You go get that thing. And humble, respect the woman, humble the woman. Forget the Bible say woman must respect man. The same thing to man, respect your woman. If you don't respect your woman, no level for you. If you don't love your woman, if you don't humble with her, no level for you. And lastly, don't they tell woman tradition. And the traditional man, if they do that one, you are just wasting your time because you will go, you will frustrate, and maybe they test you. Bye bye guys. God bless you all. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to share the video. Bye.